Hello guys, good evening. On this session, I would like to present material about the role of psychology in the decision making. Decision making is the process of choosing the best action from several available alternatives to achieve certain goals in daily life as well as in the workplace. Humans are always faced with various decisions, both simple and complex. Therefore, understanding the factor that influence decision is very important, and one of them psychology. Psychology play a major role in decision making because decisions are basically made by human, not only by or system. Every individual has different ways of thinking, emotion, experience, receptions, and motivation. Uh, all of these factors influence how a person evaluates a problem and determine a choice. Uh, One of the rules of psychology in decision making is understanding human thinking process. In psychology, this process is called the cognitive process. A cognitive process include perception, attention, memory, and reason. When someone receives information, they will process that information based on their experience and knowledge. This can cause to people to make different decision even when facing the same situation. Uh, in addition, emotion also greatly influence decision. A person who is angry, afraid, or anxious, anxious tends to make different decision compared to when they are calm in the business world. For example, a manager great pressure may make hasty and less rational decision. Therefore, emotional control become important part of the decision making process. Psychologists also helps in understanding bias or thinking error. Bias is a person tendency to think in an objective way. Example include being overconfident, only look or for information that supports one's own opinion, or being afraid to take risks. This bias often cause decision to be less accurate. By understanding psychology, a person can become more aware of this thinking error and try to make more rational decision. In organization, psychology also plays a role in group decision making. Each team member has different characteristics and perspective. Psychology helps leader understand how to communicate, motive, fashion, and resolve conflicts so that group decision can be made more effective. A simple example in daily life is when someone chooses a college major or job. The decision is not only based on job opportunity, but is also influenced by interest, personality, family pressure, and self-confidence. All of these are parts of psychological factor. In conclusion, psychology has very important role in decision making because it's help you understand how much things feel and act. Good decision do not only depend on logic and data, but also on this ability to manage emotion, understand bias, and communicate with each other. By understanding psychology, a person can make wiser, more rational, and more responsible decision. That is my presentation about the role of psychology in decision making, and thank you.